In the previous videos, we've seen how to create an appointment for the patient. Now what we're going to see is how the doctor attends that patient. So we log in with our doctor, the general medicine section. As we can see, there are two stations, laboratory and outpatient station. In the outpatient station, the system tells us that there's one pending appointment. This pending appointment is from the patient that we created an appointment beforehand. So we're going to enter in the outpatient station, and as we can see, we have Susan Jones. The appointment is in blue because admission has been confirmed. In the previous video, we saw that the scheduler had to mark the patient passed through admission, because if not, then the doctor could not be able to attend this patient. So we click on the appointment, and as we can see, this lateral panel pops up. So we have the patient's name, medical record number, passport, basic patient information. So what the doctor will do is start the consultation. So consultation is started, and as we can see, the exploration report opens. So we have allergies and intolerances, patient's past, the consult reason. So we're going to say that the patient has allergies. Patient has a medicine allergy. So what medicine? We're going to search for paracetamol. We're going to save, and as we can see, the allergy has appeared. We can also see that here the allergy also appears, and it's in red because it's very high severity. We can also type the consult reason. So the patient has a high fever. This is why she has gone to the hospital. Current illness, fever, for example, and physical exploration. The patient suffers from high fever. 39. Now we can also check for the malaria test. So does the patient have fever? Yes. Has the test been done? No. And the results, we don't know. We can also check for TB case. Presumed TB case? No. And now we have to click on the diagnosis. So in this case, the patient has fever. Let's check high fever. And it is final. It's a final diagnosis. Prescription. We can also check for prescription if we want to. And we're going to postpone this alert because it is not for the patient. So once we have filled in correctly this exploration report, we are going to sign the report. And as we can see, we have it here. So we have the exploration report, we have the patient's name, the allergies, the consult reason, the malaria test. Okay, and we can print this if we would like. So once we print it, the system asks if it's a copy for the patient. We're going to say that it is not a copy for the patient. And as we can see here, we have the report. So we can either save this or store it somewhere else. Okay.